So this is the third attempt. My phone does not want to videotape for a very long time, so the whole half part of the video got cut out. So as I was saying, I used the vent brush first to get the water out, and I'm using the brown brush, and I take the brush at the roots. I make sure the brush is inside the hair at the scalp, and you pull straight out. And do the same thing here. You could go like this. So for the top, this piece here, I have to over direct with the brush when it's wet, like this. Keep going and going. When it's dry, you add the roller. Hold the hair at the root, push the roller up, and roll. I did that for all of them. This one, I chose to go back, spray. So now I'm going to be doing the back. It helps if I take the tip out. And I take the front out, hold the hair tight over here, hold the hair tight at the root to pull out, see how it looks. So I kind of have a lot of body at the scalp. The hair's going back. And what you want to do is make sure you get everything. So you have your trusty mirror. And my tag is sticking out. I hate when that happens. Okay. So as you could see, I had a piece of scalp showing. Okay, what I'm going to do is take my brush and hold up a piece of hair here. Spray, Kevin Murphy Session Spray. Let it cool off for a minute. Make sure it's smooth. It is smooth, okay? But I like my hair fuller here a little bit because my head's narrow. So I'm gonna lift it up, take my brush, back comb, just a little bit, little spray. Doing all these other steps with the hairspray just makes the hairstyle last. Instead of one day, 2 or 3 days. You lift it up, lightly back comb, spray the root. Back comb a little here. These are kind of 70 bangs, curtain bangs. So you can use your hands and play with it. Here is my blow dry tutorial as best as I could do. We got towards the end, so we had to start over. If you have any questions, leave a message or contact me at Geraldine Jazz on Instagram. I would totally appreciate it, and good luck and stay safe.